Shut up and sit down.
Hello again. Colin here from Festa 67's workshop. What have we got this week? We've got Revell's Level 3 Opel GT in 1/32 scale. 21 of Revell's finest quality moulded parts. Now this was a little present from Reese Beaker over at RJC Models, so give him a visit. Nice little bit of box art there. It's a orangey colour similar to the McLaren that I did an inbox review on a wee while back. Soon to be uploaded to the internet. It's just I've got them all on this schedule. So Revell end opening box. You get a set of strangely folded instructions. They seem to be doing it a different way now. Not sure why. But it's a bit odd. So I'll just fold them up a bit better. There you go. Super colour instructions. Sprue diagrams, how-tos, paint call-outs, etc. Very simple build. Slap it together like so. I think these are the entry-level sort of starter sets of their range, and it will give you a really sexy looking little motor. And there's your sprues. Got some wheels, a grille, your body shell, moulded floor pan and seats, some inserts for the doors on that, and some hubs going on there. Very simple build, but again one of those that you can really sort of go to town with a bit of weathering and a decent little paint job. And that's what I'm going to be doing with it. I'm going to treat it as if it's a 500 quid Hero Boy kit. Got a set of number plates and all of that going on there. But yeah, so I'm going to give that a build, and that will go in my little display in my hobby zone units there that I have on my bench, and that will join my other slightly lower scale cars. And I have a little collection on my left there that I keep on the bench rather than in a case on the wall. So yeah, I shall give that a bit of a beast with the sanding stick. A little bit of flash there on a few bits that don't really matter. So we'll get that one built. That's a quick, very quick review of that kit. But thank you, Reese at RJC, for getting me that, mate, because I drive a big 3 litre 6 Monza anyway. So nice little car. Happy days. Thank you for watching. Catch up soon. Bye bye for now.